2020, the year the COVID-19 pandemic struck, markets crashed and public sentiment too took a nosedive. But that did not stop a few companies from striking the biggest deals that we have seen in recent times. Now, according to a PwC report, which is an annual review of deals in 2020, the overall deal value in India was a little over $80 billion with 1,268 transactions in 2020. Now, this is a 7% increase in terms of value as compared to 2019, and that too even in the midst of a pandemic. We take a look at which were the biggest deals that shifted public sentiment even in the thick of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the name that ruled the headlines, of course, was Jio Platforms, and according to the PwC report, 25% of the total deal value of 2020 can be attributed to Jio Platforms. From what we know, Jio Platforms brought in 1,52,000 crores by selling around 32.97% stake to a list of 14 marquee investors. And this list included names like Facebook as well as Google. Facebook was the top. The stake sale to Facebook was the highest at 9.99%, and Facebook bought that stake for 43,574 crores. Google bought 7.73% stake for 33,737 crores. Reliance Retail sold stake to around 9 investors, a list of 9 investors, and the total stake sale stood at 10.09%. And the total value of the stake sale was 47,265 crores. In fact, there were a slew of investments by Reliance Retail as well. Reliance Retail bought Future Group for a total consideration of 24,713 crores. This was in August 2020. Although the acquisition is, of course, still now hanging in fire after legal proceedings have been initiated by retail giant Amazon, we will have to see how that proceeds further. Now, the other space that saw a lot of deals was also the airport space, with both GMR and GVK checking out. From the beginning of the year is when we saw GMR Infrastructure announce that Paris-based group ADP bought 49% stake in GMR Airports for 10,780 crores. The other one was Adani Group acquiring a controlling stake in Mumbai International Airport Limited, which in turn it gave it a controlling stake in Navi Mumbai Airport as well. Now, Adani Airport Holdings acquired 74% stake in Mumbai International Airport, including a 50.50% stake of GVK Airport Holdings, as well as 23.50% stake of the Airport Company of South Africa and Bidwest put together. So totally, Adani Airports acquired 74% in Mumbai International Airport Limited, which in turn gave it a stake of 74% equity stake in Navi Mumbai International Airport. Apart from that, there were a slew of investments, a slew of purchases in the startup space as well. And again, Reliance Retail bought furniture brand Urban Ladder for 182 crore rupees, and also 60% stake in digital pharmacy player Netmeds for 620 crore rupees. So Reliance Retail, of course, had a shopping spree with Future Retail, with Urban Ladder, as well as Netmeds. The other space that saw a lot of deals was the EdTech space. Byju's acquired White Hat Junior for $300 million. Unacademy acquired 5 smaller startups named Course Savvy, Prep Ladder, Mastery, Code Chef, and Theatrics in 2020. But as 2020 is coming to a close, another deal that's likely to happen in the e-commerce startup space is the Tata Group planning to buy Big Basket. We understand that the deal is coming to a close according to our reports, and it is valued at over $1 billion. So that is a roundup of the deals in 2020. There is a possibility that a consolidation in a lot of spaces, a lot of companies looking to consolidate as well as looking to reduce their subsidiaries, there might lead to more deals in 2021 as well. But 2020 as a whole, despite the COVID-19 pandemic, was a great year for PE and M&A deals.